we have here square of sum. We have mx plus n to second power. So we can use formula a plus b to second power. This is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you don't remember this formula, you can do step by step. First, we can rewrite that mx plus n to second power is mx plus n times mx plus n. And next we have to do multiplication. Every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have mx times mx plus n, and next we have plus n times mx plus n. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means every expression in parentheses we have to multiply by whatever we have before parentheses. So we have mx times mx, and next we have, when we don't have sign, is always positive, so positive times positive give me positive, and next we have mx times n. The same we have to do with the second expression. Now we have positive times positive, so will be positive. We have n times mx, so we have n times mx, and positive times positive give me positive. We have n times n. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplication. M times m, so the same base, we copy the base and we have to add exponent. When we don't have exponents, we have invisible 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. And next we have x, again the same situation, we have invisible 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. M times m is m square, x times x is x square, plus, and I will put in the alphabetic order these variables, so will be m, n, and x, plus the same we will do here, so will be m, n, and x, and we have plus the same base, multiplication again, invisible exponent 1, so we have to add 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is equal. We have m square x square plus, and we have the like terms. We have mnx, mnx. And these like terms are positive, so we have positive sign. When we don't have coefficient, it's always invisible 1, so we have 1 and 1. We just add these coefficients. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have to rewrite whatever we have after. m, n, x. That's it. 1mnx plus 1mnx is 2mnx plus n square. This is my solution. But if you remember this formula, the solution is much shorter. Let me rewrite our example. We have mx plus n to second power. This is equal. We have to just use this formula. In our example, a is equal mx and b is equal n. So first we have a to second power. So we have mx, we will put in parentheses because we have two variables. Every variable we have to raise to second power. Next we have plus 2, we have to rewrite, and next we have times 2 times a, so a is mx. Next we have times b, so times n, and we have plus b squared, so we have plus n to second power. So this is equal. We have mx to second power. It means we have to raise to second power m and x, so it will be m square and x square. And now we have plus 2. Next I will put variable in the alphabetic order, so we have m, n, x, and we have plus n square. We see that we got exactly the same solution. But this way is much shorter. So it's a very good idea to memorize this formula, the square of sum. This is my solution.